Alright, so my plan was to get this out of here, get the other cars in here, put snow tires on them today, and yeah, that's what I need to be doing. We're supposed to have them off cars by April 15th, which is coming up, and even though, you know, I wondered if they was going to give a few extra days there because of the way the weather's been, but I really thought about putting it off. It's not the most lovely weather today. It's one of those days I might just as soon stay in the house and work on banjos and such, but oh, honey baby says she really did want them tires off of there because she's getting tired of listening to them rumble. I can understand that. So I'll just crank this baby up and we'll ease her out of here. I'll start with her car, we'll ease it in here, and we'll do the tiring on it, get them out of the way, and make her happy. And that works for me. All right. Well, it started raining for about half a second, and then it quit. I brought this thing back in, but it's quit, so I'm going to take it back out and bring my Toyota in and do the tires on it. I'll carry this little cover to put over the carburetor. Now after it does rain, going over the guy in the car. There's my neighbor. Well, maybe it's just as well I didn't pull this thing out. I went out back and helped my neighbor put his rock rake on his tractor, and I got back and it's raining and even sleeting a little bit. So I don't think I'm gonna take the snow tires off my car. If we're still getting sleet, I think I'll give it a little longer. Got Honey Baby's car done. That'll make her happy. I'll leave mine like it is. She don't have to drive a whole lot, so I think she'll be okay with what she's got. The rain made me cold. Made me that cold. Okay, so I took the snow tires off the car. Maybe too early.